Congratulations to you.
Thank you very much.
Jace Marabini.
Ngiyabonga.
Jazz artist.
Yes.
He has been rewarded with a Toyota Hilux GT6 from Sir Wicknell Chivhayo for rallying behind the ruling party and participating in the national events. So congratulations once again.
Ngiyabonga.
There is your registration book.
Yes.
Zimbabwe sanibonani kuJace Marabini lo koBulawayo. Hawu nazi indaba ezinhle abade bengakholwa siseHarare esidikidikini. The moment that we have been waiting for, from Sir Wicknell Chivhayo, nansi imota kaJace Marabini esiphiwe nguSir Wicknell Chivhayo. Ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu lesi sipho engisitholileyo namhlanje lapha eHarare from Sir Wicknell Chivhayo. Ngiswele amazwi ukuthi ngingathini ngendlela engijabule ngayo. Ngijabule kakhulu, ngiyathokoza kakhulu ukuthola isiphiwo esinje. 34 years in the music industry. This is the biggest honor that I've ever got. Ngiyabonga kakhulu Sir Wicknell Chivhayo. Ngithanda ukubonga His Excellency the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe ukunxusa kudina party koBulawayo belungiselela i-trade fair. Yikho lapho uWicknell Chivhayo ambone khona. So bantu bakithi Zimbabwe muhle nansi imota. This is the time that we've been waiting for. Imota kaJace Marabini iya koBulawayo. Nanti ibhuku lenu, nansi imota le imota yenu. Nangu uMatsibaba naye lapha kasondela uMatsibaba. Uyathi ngilayo uMatsibaba ukuthi ahambe bona uma kwenza iMatsibaba. Nangu uMatsibaba. Thank you very much Matsibaba. Thank you so much.
Thank you.